Hello, Dolphins, my old friends. We're here without a coach again. 'Cause the one we had was creeping, trying to secure Watson for safekeeping. And that treason was planted in our brains, so insane. Now there's just the sound of silence. Who knew that Tua walked alone? Coach wouldn't even throw him a bone. Took him out when he was losing. Sapped his confidence when he was cruising. Sabotage was there while he flashed his silly grin. Who could win? And now we're left with the sound of silence. But there's a light we all can see. Please bring Mike McDaniel to me. He'll turn our offense into something sound. We'll kick their asses through the air and the ground. We'll win the division and beat Buffalo finally. Just wait and see. There'll be an end to the silence.